Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today, I would say this is a disappointing day. After falling so much yesterday for no reason, and today we opened gap down. And SGX Nifty was indicating a higher opening, but SGX Nifty indicating 40-50 point higher, but we open about 80-90 point lower. And not only that, and within few minutes, we even broke 15,200. And who thought today Nifty will break 15,200? It's only Nifty spot broke 15,200. 15,183 is the low, but the future low was 15,211. There was one hope today that contrary to the last few days, today for most part of the day, the Nifty future was trading at a premium to the Nifty spot. That has given some hope for the bulls. Like short sellers are squaring up some of their positions. But it was just too volatile. And it morning itself went to 15,349, then I'm talking about future. 349, then came to 211, again went to 15,400 plus, again came down to 15,250. And 12:30, I just went for a lunch and I came back at 12:45 and my friends told me Nifty moved 80 points 3 times. Shooting up 80 point, coming down 80 point, again shooting up 80 point. In 15 minutes, 3 times a swing of 80 points. And who thought Nifty will fall more than 100 point after 3 p.m.? And it was such a huge volatile. But however, the people in options are confident. So this is just intraday volatility only. The option premiums did not shoot up. And in fact, option premiums have crashed. And Nifty closed about 67 point lower. But despite that, all the put options, and not only for the current week or current month, even look at the December month. And 67 point down, even the December month put options were down. And in fact, December month options, both call options and put options have fallen significantly. So, few months before, every day, HDFC used to make 80 to 100 point move on either side, making markets too volatile. And now, as I already told you earlier, it is the turn of TCS. Really don't know why TCS moves like this. And Infosys was down only 1%, but TCS was down 3%. And TCS down 100 rupees from yesterday's closing level. And then shot up 70 rupees. And the shot up 70 rupees, the entire 70 rupees recovery came only in the last 90 minutes. So I really don't know why market falls so much and why market shoots up so much, So this all like making markets too volatile. And IT stocks have underperformed at the end of the day. But however, the banking stocks, since morning the banking stocks were really good, except first 10-15 minutes or you can say 30 minutes. And after that, Bank Nifty has been very, very bullish. Even at the closing also, Nifty is down, but Bank Nifty is up. So, FII data is still not out. I think let me check once again. So, but definitely it's going to be very bad only. So, it's not going to be good. Yeah, it is not out yet. So, I think we can expect 3,000 to 4,000 crore today also. And otherwise, why the market is so volatile today? I think it is a tug of war between FII and DII and throughout the day. And I really don't know how many times today Nifty moved up and down more than 50 points. I think n number of times. So, people are getting confident today and people are selling both call options and put options. And many people are taking 15,300 short straddle. And there are reasons for that. Number one reason, there is no big event for the next 4 trading sessions, because for next week expiry there are only 4 trading sessions. There is no big event. And number 2, Monday is a US market holiday. So for Tuesday, we will not have any major US cues. And usually it is a US market that moves other markets. So that will be absent for 1 day. So out of 4 days, so if you minus that 1 day, you have only 3 days. And the third one, all the European markets are firmly in green, and all the US futures are also firmly in green, and all the Asian futures are also firmly green. So all the entire global markets, now you look at the futures, everything is green except Indian market closing. So therefore, on Monday, there may not be a big gap up, but at least we are happy that there will not be any big gap down. As of now, we don't know what will happen to US markets today, because US markets is just like Indian market, will be very, very volatile. So people are expecting some kind of stability. So that's why they are confidently selling call options and put options. And let us see whether this confident is right or not next week. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.